High anxiety refers to intense and persistent feelings of nervousness, worry, or fear, often accompanied by physical symptoms like increased heart rate and sweating. It can interfere with daily life and may indicate an anxiety disorder if it persists. Treatment options include therapy, medication, and stress management techniques.
High anxiety symptoms. 1. Nostalgic feeling. 2. Constant sadness. 3. Sudden fear. 4. Hyperventilation. 5. Increased heartbeat. 6. Racing ideas. 7. Skin moisture. 8. Sleep disorder. 9. Restlessness. 10. Sense of doom. 11. Voluntary isolation. 12. Muscle aches or numbness. 13. Gastrointestinal problems. 14. Trembling. 15. Trouble concentrating. Please subscribe and share.